Yes, guys, now we will get the answer to the question of where we can download the SketchUp program. When you go to the SketchUp section, friends, when you go to the plan section here, the most suitable purchase for you is this part, which is $349 per year, friends, because even though the studio version here doesn't have many features, the price is a bit too expensive, friends. That's why the 349 Pro version will provide you with important aspects in terms of plugin usage and compatibility with rendering engines. You can purchase this online from here, friends. It's now available for online sales. SketchUp, and you can register and purchase directly from their site without using other companies, friends. There's an important part in the second section. When you open SketchUp, friends, a page like this will come up. On this page, you can see the projects you have worked on before. And at the same time, from the top section, if I have a favorite, for example, if this architectural and centimeter section is my favorite, I can add it to favorites and click on it to open it. There's a section below that says Recovery, friends. It tells you that this file will close during work, and the latest version will open. If you see this red part, it saves from the last section you accessed when you click on it. I want to mention something as an example, friends. When working in SketchUp, make sure to right-click and create a new folder here and give it a name for your work. For example, I opened a work folder here and try to save under this work folder because normally SketchUp creates a backup file while working. Normally the extension of SketchUp is SGP, friends. It also gives an extension as SGB. That's a backup file. You can create this under any folder. And when a malfunction occurs, the problem will be resolved when you open the other file, friends. But if you're working on the desktop or with a USB or a different disk, then problems start, friends. Our first working style is to work in an organized manner under a folder, friends. This is our first section. This tutorial is really detailed and teaches SketchUp in a very sequential and systematic way. It's aimed at helping you learn, friends. My teaching style is fast, dynamic, and doesn't overwhelm you with too many details, but focuses on the important parts to teach you in the best way possible. Here, friends, when you move to the top section, you select the centimeter part and open it. Let's get to the open state, friends. Here, look, we have the open version of SketchUp. I didn't remove the plugins here. We'll see these already, friends. I'm closing these, for example. Look, I'm closing it from here. You can close it from this cross. Normally, when SketchUp opens, friends, it looks like this. These are our render engines, Inkscape, and other render engines. We'll see these too. By modeling both indoors and outdoors and taking renders, we will see these in detail. Normally, when you open SketchUp, friends, this is the interface that greets you. This interface is very simple. Even though the interface of SketchUp is very simple, as modeling increases, we start to add extra plugins that will make our work easier. Friends, normally you wouldn't see this either. Look, you wouldn't see this. This is called the large toolset, so we're closing all of them from here. Look, friends, this is what you get when you open the normal SketchUp that we've installed. Now, where can I open that plugin, that toolbar? Look, you go to the toolbar section from the view. Here, you come to the layer, friends. Look, it says large toolset. You say mark, it just popped up like that. You closed it, and when you left this on the left side, it has now been placed there, friends. I have completely brought SketchUp to the modeling and drawing stage, friends. This means I'm ready to start drawing or learn SketchUp. Just do this too. Go to Modern Info. From Windows, friends, the unis part here is ours. Our measurement unit. In the section you opened at the very beginning, if there's a millimeter inch option, change it to decimal centimeters. You're all set. Right now, my file is in the drawing phase and it's ready for me to learn SketchUp, guys. In the next part, let's take a look at the other basic commands. We'll see the other parts in a fun and enjoyable way.